Heavy shadows mask the forgotten desk where dusty ledgers whisper tales of broken dreams. A silent battle against invisible debt drains the vibrant life from every single waking hour. Like a trapped athlete refusing to yield, he reaches blindly for one final desperate lifeline. Paper barriers rise against the digital storm, anchoring chaos into a tangible fortress of survival. Every sealed fold becomes a muscle fiber strengthening under the heavy burden of pure discipline. Temptation claws at the gate, yet unwavering willpower stands tall like an unbreakable iron wall. Slowly, the bleeding stops as raw determination cauterizes the wounds of reckless modern spending habits. Small daily sacrifices compound endlessly, forging unbreakable armor against the looming specter of financial ruin. The fog clears, revealing a stunning peak where the once impossible summit finally belongs to him. One single forgotten envelope rewrote his entire destiny, proving true power always begins within.